boom. What? This is close to double damage, guys. Ay, 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 ay. Yes! Easy, easy. Oh, we have a unique strongbox. Boom. Hey, that is something. 3, 2, 1, boom. Cast speed. Are you kidding me? Well, we are back at the Twilight Strand. Oh, look, it is righteous fire. Hey, hey. God damn. Boom. Easy. Hey, first Chaos Orb. Hey. Oh, I thought I was dead. Hey, yikes. Okay. Today we play Path of Exile 2, which means we are gonna have a great day. Yesterday was the absolute best day of Path of Exile 2 that I have had. We had so much fun, the smacking was really intense, and the character felt so good. I think we are approaching the end of Act 3, so let's see what happens there. I would assume there's some type of Act boss coming. And yeah, let's smack the Act boss and let's continue the fun. Let's go. Boom. This is some sort of boss, I would assume. Ay. Oh, fresh. I feel like I haven't really warmed up. I'm getting hit by every attack here. I mean, this Storm Leap is a little bit buggy, to be honest. Okay, Queen of the Filth get smacked first attempt easy. That's a good start for the bossing today. I am burning when I'm here. That's not cool. Oh, I can stand in the shadow. Wow, okay, that's cool. Okay. I bet this guy does fire damage. Maybe I should equip my fire ring. Oh boy, here we go again with the dodging. Ay. God damn it. Ay. Okay, that was kinda easy, to be honest. Maybe that wasn't the Act boss. Okay, let's upgrade our gem here. Okay, we do 1910. Boom. 1999. Ah, she smacked her! She smacked her! Oh my god. Maybe I need some chaos rest for this fight. I really need to do something about my mana. I can't sustain. Ah! Oh my god. No mana. Ah, come on. Ah! Are you kidding me? No, that's just so... Oh. Man, I have so many mana problems. I didn't have any problems with this the first time. What am I doing wrong? Dodge. Yes! Easy. Oh, we have a unique strongbox. Last time I got the very cool... boots. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see what we get there. Wait, no unique? Boom. Hey, that is something. We should save this because we want to regal that also. Wait, who is talking? Is he talking? Shut up. Stab. Okay, I stab. Boom. Okay. We are gonna get a lot of attack speed here. Let's see what the damage difference looks like. 2172. Boom. 2317. Nice. Oh my god, we got so much attack speed now. Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow. This is super much res and accuracy. Easy. Big exalt, I mean regal. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 2, 1, boom. Rarity. I think we exalt this ring because this ring is so nice. 3, 2, 1, boom. Evasion. Okay, we do one more exalt. 3, 2, 1, boom. Manary. Okay, we do one more. 3, 2, 1, boom. Cast speed. Are you kidding me? I started off with accuracy and cold dress, and then I got 4 affixes, and I don't really want any of them. Okay, here we go. This has to be the act boss, right? This is the 4th boss I am fighting today, and I thought that the act boss was very close. But am I missing something? Hey, oh, okay, he's become... Ay. I've had enough of you, Doriani. Ay. Okay, so that was wow. Okay, I got smacked. Okay, so what's happening here? Well, okay, so okay. That was... God damn it. I didn't really know what to do there. Yikes. Okay, guys, let's see here. First attempt. Need more mana. Yep. Yeah, so what happens here now? What am I supposed to do here? Okay, I see. Oh. Okay, let's see here. I go here. Now he stops. Stop. Easy smack. First attempt. Boom. Doriani. Ay. Oh, that was an easy fight. Super easy. Wait, are we supposed to be friends with Doriani? What's happening here? It can't be. No, we need to smack him. What is happening? Oh, wait. What? We are back at the Twilight Strand or the riverbank. Hey. Okay, easy. Maybe this witch is super hard again. Oh, wow. Okay, welcome to Cruel. Yikes. Hey, Beta was much easier this time. And what did we get here? Ooh, evasion-based unique helmet. Ay. Oh, and we get cold dress. Boom. Let's see what we get here. Enemies in your presence are ignited as though dealt 100 base. Wait, is this like a righteous fire helmet? What? Oh, look, it is righteous fire. Hey. A righteous fire exists in the game, guys. Look at this. Okay, first attempt again. Nice. Okay. Here we go. Attack speed. Boom. Okay. Attack speed. Boom. Accuracy and light radius. Do we try an exalt on this one? Yeah, let's try an exalt. Boom. Accuracy and fizz? No, just accuracy. Are you kidding me? Let's try another exalt. Boom. Fire damage. Boom. Brambegast get a smack. Okay, we take the big one here. Giant Slayer. This is gonna be huge. We cannot see it on our spreadsheet, I think, but let's look anyway. Boom. Yeah. It's gotta be nice versus rares and uniques. Probably mandatory, right? Because you really need to detonate Stormlands. Hey! So there we go. Oh no. Yeah, wow. So the thing is, now I'm gonna have a 5-link. Yay. Boom. Easy peasy and very much lemon squeezy. Use this on our beloved lightning spear. Boom. Okay, what support gem do we get? Low life. Execute. Boom. Let's see, how about this costs 22 mana now, and we put this in 25. Okay, that's not too bad. God damn, dude, what was that? The execute support comes in so hard at the end of the life. Boom. Okay, look here when my low life support kicks in here. Look at the damage. Wait, right now. Boom. Oh, whoa. It's so nice. Boom. Easy. Hey, first Chaos Orb. Hey. Here we go. Nice. We go from 2,225 to boom, 2,338. Wow, that's nice. Ooh. 168. Ah, yes. We have an upgrade. Oh, this is a big upgrade. I mean, I should probably exalt this one. Diffuses. Okay. Boom. No. Boom. So let's take a look at our res here. We go from 11 fire to 40. Lightning we lose 2. And we go to max cold. Very nice. Boom. That's a tie. Who smacked who? Can I pick this up? Hey, no, I won. Look, I won. No. She didn't smack me. I won. Easy win. Oh, I thought I was dead. Hey, yikes. Oh, hey. God damn it. I'm lagging. Are you kidding me? Oh! You see this lag? It's beyond it. Yeah. Man, my movement skill is so bad because it's bugged. Please just die. I beg of you. Oh, easiest fight of my life. That was so easy. Yeah, you can hear it. It's very low. Oh, I thought I was dead. Hey, oh, wow. Wow! Hey! Look at this. It has a super high attack speed and crit chance. Okay, let's buy it. Boom. Boom, bam, bing. And then we do boom, bam, bing. And we get Greater Storm Rune. And smack. Okay. And then we do Exalt. 3, 2, 1, boom. Dexterity. Yeah, that's something. That is something. We get the stats now. Bing, boom, bam. Okay, now we can use our new weapon. Oh boy. Let's see how much damage we do. 2,377. Boom. What? Look at this, guys. 2,377. Boom. Okay, and also hold up. 3,906. Boom. Ay. Are you kidding me? This is close to double damage, guys. Ay, 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 ay. I mean, if I kill him fast enough, then I don't need mana. Look at this. Who is king in the mist? But oh my god, am I dealing damage? Holy cow. There we go. Easy. Wait, are you? Wait, hold up. Guys, I did kill the boss. I smacked so hard, I didn't even understand that I did kill the boss. Oh my god, guys, the smacking is way too hard right now. It's just too intense. I don't... Easy peasy. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, Exalt, nice. Okay. Stream is over for today, and oh boy, the smacking is getting even stronger. We got our new weapon, and we basically deal double damage now, which is amazing. Our attack speed is it feels so great to play this character, and I am super happy how this is developing. It started very slow. I was very weak for the first couple of days, but now we are actually ramping and we are actually smacking. We have a little bit left on Act 1, but I don't think we are too far from the Act boss. So we will just continue with that tomorrow. Okay. I thank you all for tuning in, and bye bye.